Morning! Today is day 7 and it is chilly. We are in Scotland, just heading straight north. I can't believe it's day 7. Someone just said, oh, we've only got 2 more nights in a tent, which probably you can't even hear me, it's so noisy. But I was like, oh my god, that makes it so real, we are so close to the end. So this is quite a big climbing day, but I'm just going to take you along. It's meant to be beautiful. I'm going to go because it's really noisy, so I'll see you shortly. Would have been going about 2k and then we'll stop to admire the view. How's your coffee?
This is an unofficial pit stop. And I'm wearing gloves not because I'm a sex pest, but because I'm cold. Are we allowed to say sex pest on official videos? As in, I'm not one, alright?
Is that when people say that they're not something, then naturally they are?
No, that's not true.
Is that when you say
no, when they say they're not something, that means they're not something.
No, there was a cleaner where I used to work and he used to call himself Honest Mick. Honest Mick, the cleaner, you're like,
Honest Mick,
Honest
right.
Mick, the cleaner, you're like, what are you? It was a nice guy, actually. Turn around. Stop somebody around. What are you doing, you muppet? What was that? Oh, I don't think it's getting you in. Just ride past.
Morning.
Look at this view, look at the mountains! Turn around. I was just saying, turn around.
And my arse covered in cream.
I was just saying that I was laughing because so many people are covered in Sudocreme. And you got it all over your back.
Have I? Where? Oh, nice. That's a look,
I've seen people go into church with like a pile of it in their hands.
Yeah.
Not me though.
No,
I've not actually got any. I'm not needing any. Where did that just fall from? You've got too much Sudocreme on your hands.
Too much food. Making all my food a bit slippery.
Hey.
I mean, just look at this scenery. It is insanely beautiful. Oh my god. Just love it out here.
Look how amazing this is. Just hills. An amazing climb. As you can see all the cyclists down there. This is just wow. Definitely the best day riding so far.
So just climbed up top. Is it Glenshee, this one? Glenshee, top of it. And it's such a long, steady climb. And what Toby just actually said something quite interesting.
I said that I was prepared to admit that it was almost as beautiful as some of the cold dark north.
You said better
Than some of
the cold dark north. So yeah, it was a long, solid climb, but it was so pretty. Like, look at it, like ski lifts. So now we're gonna head down. It's gonna be cold. So it's a smash a twirl, and then go down.
If in doubt, smash a twirl, then fall off a mountain.
So yeah, gonna head down now, but look at this, it's just insanely beautiful. It's just massive, massive peaks. It's like, I would say it's like Yorkshire on steroids, because it is just like, look at it. it's just insanely massive. Oh, insanely massive and just insanely beautiful. So, got to get the camera away and then head straight down. So we've got 2 more little kick-ups before we get back home. So, definitely the best day riding so far. That was a chilly descent, but look at this. The way around. It is, again, this is like the Lake District on steroids. It is just huge and massive and beautiful and green and brown and just so ginormous. I'm just in love with this place. Climbs are so good and long, and just the descents are just smooth and winding, and oh my god, it is beautiful. But it's nippy, so I'm not going to stay long. I'm going to get going, get warm, but I just have to stop and share this beautiful view with you. I know it's really windy, but look at that view. I can't even. Oh my god. Incredible. And I always say this, but the views are just. The views are just out of this world. Look at this, oh my god, it is incredible. What even is this? Wow. And the weather is just phenomenal. Yes, I'm saying it again, but bloody hell, look at these views. The whole trip has been worthwhile for this one day of amazing weather, amazing climbing, just amazing views. I'm just ecstatic right now. I'm just so happy because look at it. This would have been like so much harder in the rain and wind, but look at the weather. Insane, absolutely incredible. Scotland is probably my new favourite place. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Sing to it.
What have you the show so far? Amazing.
Beautiful.
So
amazing.
Good, isn't it?
Look at the road we've just come down.
I know. Just show them.
And the river.
The river and the weather. Awesome.
Hey, Simon, you're right.
Love that.
What do you reckon? Come and look back. Look at it.
Awesome.
Look.
Just breathtaking.
Wow,
I might not look like it, but I do.
No wonder Queenie's got a gaff here, right?
Oh, you've got to have
I think I need one.
Yeah.
The slower you go, the better these wheels sound.
What did you think to it?
Awesome, loved it.
Yeah.
Little
this is the
tough,
best
but
ever.
that's a big old climb. All respect to the 10 mile an hour people who are going to have to drag themselves up that in an hour. Oh,
Amazing, isn't it?
more please, more.
Just got back and everyone is buzzing. Everyone's like, top day on a bike. Oh my god, it was just the best day ever. And honestly, one of the best days I've had on a bike. I know I always say that, but it's true. You can see from the footage just how epic that was. Absolutely. Oh, sorry, I'm still like snotty and so good, so happy. Oh god, now I'm gonna go and rest and get some food because I'm hungry. So I'll see you. I don't know how we're going to top that, to be honest. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 8 of 9 of the Deloitte Ride Across Britain. Good night, farewell, see you tomorrow.